Alright, first things first, you guys, you want to season the chicken front and back with salt and pepper. There's the salt. And then, of course, the pepper. And again, we're going to do front and back of the chicken with salt and pepper. Alright, you guys, now for the next step, after you season your chicken front and back with the salt and pepper, you are going to need to dip the chicken in flour before we put it in the pan. So I have here our flour, and then I do have remaining seasonings. Usually what I like to do is add some of the seasonings in the flour just to give the chicken some extra flavor before we put it in the pan. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start taking the chicken and dipping it in the flour front and back. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that chicken in there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and start flipping this chicken over, you guys. And then once you start doing that, that's when you add in extra butter, the garlic, and then the sauces. So stay tuned. Adding some more butter to this, garlic, the soy sauce and vinegar mixture, you guys. Add in your honey.
My love, on your side. Oh, right now.